Okay, so 2026 doesn't test what you can do. It tests who you become when no one is watching. Okay, so 2026 is known as the Big Fire Horse Year, Bing. It doubles your own fire energy, my friends. It's bright, fast, and emotionally charged. So for the snakes, okay, this year feels like standing in front of a mirror. You see everything, the brilliance and the blind spots. It's what we call the self-penalty year. Not punishment, my friends, but deep reflection. You attract attention easily, speak powerfully, and lead with natural confidence. But the same fire that lights you up can also burn through your patience, your rest, and your peace if you push too hard. So 2026 isn't about speed, it's about self-command. The snake who learns to master the emotions in 2026 master their destiny for the rest of this decade. Good news? Okay, so let's break down this video into 8 parts. First part is SWOT analysis. I call it mastery over impulse. So you know that you're already powerful, magnetic, and persuasive, but you're also prone to overthinking and taking things too personal. Fire sharpens your mind, but also heats your reactions. So the question is, can you stay calm when everything in you wants to react? Now your strengths are insight, charisma, intuition, and persuasive energy. Your weaknesses, over-analysis, emotional sensitivity, and self-sabotage. Where are the opportunities? Self-reinvention, reputation rebuilding, and deep creative work. Threats are burnout, overcommitting, and internal pressure. So 3 things to consider. Number 1, pause before reacting. Not every emotion deserves a response. Number 2, channel intensity into creative or intellectual pursuits. Number 3, create systems that help you decompress regularly. And question for you to reflect is, what if real strength is in 2026? What if real strength in 2026 meant responding slower, not faster? Okay, the second part is relationships. I call it honesty over harmony. You see, relationships mirror your inner state in 2026. If you're grounded, people will feel safe around you. But if you are tense, they will reflect that back. And you can't fake peace. Instead, you must create it. Question is, do you connect from truth or connect from performance? Now, 3 action steps for you to consider. 1, communicate boundaries with grace, not guilt. Number 2, don't read minds. Ask, clarify, confirm. Number 3, choose emotional honesty over pretending everything is fine. And imagine this. What would your relationships look like in 2026 if you stop apologizing for your intensity? Okay? So, health. Let's talk about health here. And I call it cooling the inner fire. So too much fire energy can be exhaustion, anxiety, inflammation, or sleep imbalance. 2026, your health goal isn't stamina, it's temperature. So question is, can you cool down before you burn out? 3 action steps for you to consider. Number 1, hydrate and sleep early. You see, late nights drain fire types fastest. Number 2, add cooling activities. Swimming, breathing, or quiet walks might help. Number 3, don't let work adrenaline replace genuine vitality. So question is, what would life feel like if calm became your strongest energy state? Okay, so number 4, let's talk about family. Peace begins with you. So in 2026, home energy reflects your emotional energy. So when you feel safe inside, your space will feel calmer. Okay, and your family doesn't need your advice, they need your peace. Question is, what kind of emotional climate do you want your home to hold in 2026? So 3 action steps for you. Write this down. Number 1, keep communications light. Don't turn every chat into a lecture. Okay. Number 2, focus on shared laughter. It diffuses tension faster than logic, by the way. Number 3, lead by example. Be the peace you want to see. So imagine this. Could your family heal faster if you stop trying to fix them? Okay, number 5, let's talk about wealth strategy over stimulation. So you see, money flows fast in 2026, but so does spending. So the key to abundance now isn't chasing, it's managing emotional decisions. The question is, are you earning from alignment or adrenaline? Okay, so 3 action steps for you to consider then. Number 1, don't rush into big investments. 5 clouds financial clarity. Number 2, build savings as emotional security, not fear. Number 3, focus on smart partnerships, not solo sprints. So what if peace of mind became your most profitable asset in 2026? Okay, part 6, we talk about career or business. Refining your authority. Because you are magnetic, people notice your confidence and insight. But this year, 2026, leadership requires humility and adaptability. So being right isn't the goal. Being effective is. The question is, are you leading to prove or are you leading to serve? Now, 3 action steps for you to consider. Write this down. Number 1, simplify your message, as clarity multiplies your impact. Number 2, mentor someone younger than you, because teaching stabilizes your fire. Number 3, handle criticisms calmly, because feedback isn't threat, it is refinement. So what kind of legacy could you build if you stopped defending your worth and started demonstrating it? How about the external environment? Rising without resistance. 2026 environment rewards confidence but punishes ego. You will thrive when you stay adaptable and emotionally intelligent. So the question is, can you lead without needing to win? 3 action steps for you to consider. Number 1, observe before acting. Because fire moves too fast. Earth rewards patience. Number 2, don't respond to every conflict. Silence could be a strategy. Number 3, move gracefully in public spaces because your reputation is your currency. So what if your quiet composure became your loudest success story, my friends? Okay, so as usual, I can't stop talking about personal development. So I call it rebirth through reflection. Now, this is your mirror year. 2026 is your mirror year. The one that shows you who you become. Growth won't come from achieving more, but from understanding yourself deeper. The question is, what would happen if you stopped improving and started integrating? So 3 action steps. Number 1, journal your emotional triggers. Awareness breaks repetition. Number 2, practice forgiveness, especially towards yourself. Number 3, meditate before major decisions. Your instincts are clearer in stillness. So question is, could 2026 become the year you finally trust your wisdom more than your wounds? Okay, so in closing this video, for snakes, 2026 is not here to break you. It is here to awaken you. When the fire horse meets the snake, transformation becomes inevitable. 2026 will be the year your awareness becomes your superpower. So don't rush to prove yourself, but refine yourself. Don't chase for recognition, attract it through calm mastery. Snakes who stays poised under heat become unstoppable. And you are not losing control, you are learning how to master it. And by the way, if you want to know exactly when your next opportunity window for career, for health, for wealth and personal power peaks in 2026, Come join me in the Destiny Architect Telegram chat, where wisdom meets timing and energy becomes influence. I will see you in my next video.